Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you waiting for your orb confirmation and confirmation is not coming. So let's get started. So if you open your World app and if you have done your orb or verification or the verification center and the verification has been not confirmed till date, what you have to do? So basically the first thing that you can do, you can contact your like World app support and you can tell your problem. If they come with a solution, then nice. If like they will don't, then you can reapply for the orb verification. So it happens sometimes because of misplace of the IDs and some photo issue. So this is the reason that is. And if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.